First, length 1.5 meters, breadth 2 meters, and height 1 meter. Find the capacity of the tank in liters. First, let's find the capacity of the tank in cubic meters. Thereafter, you should convert them to cubic meters. So, to find capacity, I'll take it as volume. I'll find the volume in cubic meters. 1.5 meters multiplied with 2 meters multiplied with the height 1 meter. So it should be 3 cubic meters. We know that 1 cubic meter equals to 1000 liters. So 3 cubic meter, that should be equals to 3000 liters. That is the capacity of the tank in liters. Thereafter, if water is filled up to 0.8 meter in height, find the volume of the tank. Okay. So this tank is not fully filled. There is a portion of the tank only filled. That means the length and breadth are same. Height of the water column, that is 0.8 meter in length. So to find that volume, you should consider the length and breadth does not change. No, 1.5 meter times 2 meter times height of the water column, that is 0.8 meters. When you multiply all of them, I will convert all of them to decimals to fractions. 15 upon 10 multiplied with 2. I'll make this 2 as 0.8. It would be 8 over 10. So thereafter, let's multiply all the numerators. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 times 8, 240 should be divided by the denominators. 10 times 10, 100. So it would be 2.4 cubic meters. 2.4 cubic meters. In liters, you should multiply 2.4 times 1000. The capacity in, sorry, the volume in liters, it would be 2400 liters. I'll repeat again. In here, the length and breadth of the water column does not change. Only the changing one is height. Accordingly, the volume is changing now. Water column is filled up to 0.8 meter in height. So that's why we are considering height as 0.8 meter. After simplification, you will get the volume of the water column as 2.4 cubic meters. In liters, it would be 2400 liters. And in the third part question, each day members of the family consuming 300 liters of water. Okay, this water tank belongs to a house. The members are consuming each day per day 300 liters of water. So how many days the water in the tank is sufficient for them to use? The water in the tank, that is 2400 liters. Each day they are consuming 300 liters. So 2400 liters should be divided by 300 liters because in each day they are consuming 300 liters. So that will give you 8 days. So the water in the tank is sufficient for them up to 8 days of use.